Guide to using Todo Groups. With Todo Groups, students can easily see what they need to do and progress at their own pace, while you effortlessly track their progress. The built-in rewards system keeps them motivated and engaged, making learning more enjoyable. Plus, getting started is quick and easy. You can set everything up in no time and start seeing results right away. Let's dive in and explore how it works. Step 1. Sign up. Signing up is quick and simple. Go to todogroups.com. Click Teachers at the top and select Sign Up. Enter the name your group members will recognize you by. Add your email address to recover your password if needed. Create a secure password and confirm it. Review and accept the terms of use, privacy policy, and cookie policy. Click Register. Check your email for a confirmation link. Click it, and you're in. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. Step 2. Create your group. Welcome to Todo Groups. To kick things off, we're giving you 300 Todo coins, your group's built-in reward currency. Here's how to create your group. Go to the Groups tab. Click Create a new group at the bottom right. Choose a group name. Make it simple and easy to remember. Click the arrow button, and your group will appear in the list. Now you are ready to invite members. To make signing up easier for them, you can show a membership instruction video. Ask them to go to todogroups.com, select Members, and click Join a Group. Alternatively, share the QR code found on the Groups page for instant access. Once everyone is joined, you can lock the group through the settings icon to prevent new signups. If necessary, you can also delete the entire group. Newly joined members will appear in the Groups view. As the group leader, you have full control over group member details and can see how many Todo coins each person has. By clicking the Expand icon, you can access the individual group member settings. From the Settings tab, you can edit members' names, reset lost passwords, customize avatars, divide members into blue or yellow subgroups, and remove members if needed. From the History tab, you can see a group member's purchases, rewards, and other activities. From the Todos tab, you can monitor a group member's progress on assigned tasks. Todo Groups offers various ways to reward members. Todo coins are earned by completing tasks. Members can redeem rewards in the reward shop. In the group view, you can manually add or deduct Todo coins for extra motivation, or even as a small penalty for mischief. Now that you understand the group view, let's create a to-do list. Step 3. Creating and assigning to-do lists. Todo Groups to-do lists can be quickly written task lists for a regular lesson or workday. If you want to give multiple instructions at once, or if students are at different stages of their tasks, creating a to-do list is a fast and effective way to keep everyone on track and ensure that all students know what needs to be done. To-do lists can also be comprehensive and multi-step learning modules that include images, videos, questions with exact or open-ended answers, links to other learning materials, and more. Sharing such lists with fellow teachers can save a great deal of time and effort in lesson planning. Now it's time to create your first to-do list. Open the Todos tab. Name your to-do list. Click the arrow button, and your list will appear in the to-do list window. Click the list and add the first task in the What Needs to Be Done box. Click the arrow button, and the task will be added to the list. You can always edit tasks later by clicking the Edit icon. For groups that struggle with self-regulation, keep tasks simple and clear to support smooth progress. Students can view their tasks on any device, phone, tablet, computer, or smartboard. Uncompleted tasks appear light red. When a student completes a task and clicks the X button, it turns blue, making progress easy to track for both students and teachers. Want to make your list more engaging? You can include links to external sources or related tasks to enrich the assignment. Use the image button to add pictures from your computer or the web. Click the question mark button to set answer requirements. In exact answer mode, the student must enter the correct response. This is ideal for math, grammar, or secret codes. If the answer is correct, task turns blue. If it is not correct, the task changes dark red. In open-ended answer mode, the student writes their own response, which remains yellow until the teacher approves it. The button with a magnifying glass over an image opens the Action Image Archive, where teachers can find visuals to enhance tasks. A to-do list can also function as a daily or lesson schedule on a smartboard, with action images providing valuable support for students who struggle with reading or need special assistance. You can delete an unnecessary task using the trash can button. You can also rearrange the tasks by dragging a task over the task you want to replace. To publish a list, toggle the switch in the bottom left corner from red to blue. If you want to assign different Todo lists to specific subgroups, Divide members into blue and yellow teams, then choose which Todo list to publish for each group. In the Task List sidebar, you can see which list is published and visible to which group. Task lists can be easily copied and modified, for example, to meet diverse learning needs. The teacher can also share the task list with a colleague managing a different group, either as a copy or as a collaboratively editable list. Step 4. Shared Todos view. When the teacher shares a task list with the students, they can monitor students' progress using the Shared Todos view. The overview allows the teacher to see the entire group's progress at a glance. By clicking the Expand button in the upper right corner, the teacher can also display the active to-do list within the same view. By using the student-specific Expand button, the teacher can take a closer look at an individual student's progress and approve their open responses. If needed, the teacher can change a completed task back to incomplete if it is not done properly. If students do not have their own devices, they can mark their tasks as completed directly from the classroom smartboard, the teacher's computer, or a shared classroom tablet. Now you know how to create engaging task lists for your group. Next, it's time to learn how to create rewards that your group members can purchase from the reward shop. Step 5. Motivate with rewards. Rewards make learning and collaboration fun. Todo Groups offers multiple ways to reward your members. Todo coins are earned by completing tasks. Members can redeem rewards using Todo coins in the reward shop. As the group leader, you can manually add or remove Todo coins for extra motivation or even as a small penalty for mischief. Group members can customize their avatars for a small Todo coins fee. Creating a reward list, in addition to earning Todo coins, members can spend them to redeem custom rewards. To create a reward, go to the Rewards tab and click the plus button. Give the reward a name, e.g. Puzzle Time. Add a description, e.g. Spend time on the class's giant puzzle, and set a price in Todo coins. Once you've created a few rewards, enter a name for your reward list. Click the arrow button, and your newly created reward list will appear in the Reward Lists panel. Click on your reward list and add the desired rewards using the Edit button in the down right corner of the screen. Well-chosen rewards provide fun and enriching experiences. Popular rewards include board game sessions, free drawing time, practicing piano with headphones, relaxing while listening to music, or engaging in a self-chosen craft project, etc. Sometimes, a reward can even be a class-wide event, such as a class party, which students must collectively fund by pooling their Todo coins. Don't hesitate to ask your students for ideas. They often have great suggestions for meaningful rewards. Rewards can be redeemed, for example, during a weekly reward session, but why not create a separate reward list for recess rewards or quick end-of-lesson activities? Once you have created your reward list, you can publish it by clicking the blue Publish button in the bottom left corner. Students can see the published reward list on their own device and choose which reward to redeem with their earned Todo coins. From each student's personal profile, you can check which rewards they have redeemed and whether those rewards are still valid. Step 6. The Todo Groups Store. The Store tab allows you to purchase extra features in Todo coins. If the 300 Todo coins you received as a gift aren't enough to manage your group or buy additional features, you can easily purchase more Todo coins from the store. Developing and maintaining Todo Groups costs real money for us as developers. By purchasing Todo coins, you're not only enhancing your own experience, but also supporting us in making Todo Groups even more useful, engaging, and fun in the future. Thank you for helping us succeed.